Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then hi, my name is Borsha and thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is all about hair fall. How can you prevent it? What are the causes and what you should avoid? So let's get started with today's video. If you're facing hair fall lately, then stop panicking so much, because according to experts, losing 100 strands of your hair per day is normal. If this is what you're losing, then do not worry, this is just normal. But if you're losing more than this, you should start taking care of your health and taking care of your overall body. There could be a lot of possible reasons for which we lose our hair. So the reasons are age, hormonal disbalance, weather, medications, pregnancy or post-pregnancy, stress, and also not taking a good care of your hair. So before discussing how you can prevent it, first of all, let me tell you one thing. If your hair fall is associated with your hormonal changes, then it is temporary. It's not going to last for a long time. It is because of your hormonal changes, but you can take care of your hair and it will be okay in some time. And if your hair fall is because of your pregnancy or post-pregnancy, this will last for 6 to 8 months. And even for more information, you can talk to your dermat. So to prevent hair fall, here are something you can do. Your unhealthy lifestyle can be a reason of your hair fall. So if you are having a lot of junks, a lot of cold drinks, a lot of sugar, then this can be the reason of your hair fall. So what you have to do is you have to add a lot of vitamins, minerals, protein to your diet, and avoid having junks, having cold drinks, cut down your sugar levels, quit smoking, stop drinking alcohol. That can help you to prevent your hair fall. You can add fish, eggs, green vegetables, fruits, nuts to your diet to make a good hair and skin. Also, don't forget to drink a lot of water. You should drink 4 to 5 liters of water a day. Keep that in mind and have a lot of water. Another reason is stress. So nowadays everyone is stressed out for a lot of reasons and for a lot of things happening here and there. Stop overthinking. Start spending some time with your loved ones. Give yourself some time. Meditate in the morning, go for a walk, listen to music, start reading books. Do those things which distract you from being stressed. That way you can help to control your stress level, and that will not only help to reduce hair fall, that will help in a lot of ways, because according to experts, most of the health related problems came from stress. So when you are controlling your stress level, you are making a good lifestyle, a good and a healthy body overall. Another reason is weather. If your hair fall is associated with weather, as we all know that during monsoon we lose more hairs. If your hair fall is because of weather, then this will not last for a long time. But of course you need to take a lot of care for your hair. I have another video for monsoon hair care hacks, so you can check that. I'll make sure to link it in description box below. So another reason can be medicines. If you're high on medications, then that can be a reason for your hair fall. In case you're losing a lot of hair for that, it is better to talk with your dermat, but you can take a good care of your hair. You can use a lot of hair mask, oil. You can oil your hair, massage your hair. In that way it will be healthy, but it is good to talk with a dermat first. Another reason for your hair fall can be not taking a good hair care routine. Being lazy or being too busy to take care of your hair can be a reason of your hair fall. So take some time out from your busy schedule and give your hair some time, some love. You can oil your hair twice a week, comb your hair 2 to 3 times per day, keep it knot free, and also use hair mask to provide nourishment to your scalp. Also wash your hair twice a week, condition them, take a good care of your hair, can reduce your hair fall. So start doing it from now. Now I'm going to give you some homemade remedies to promote hair growth and stop hair fall. So the first one is onion juice. Onion is a very effective solution for your hair loss. You can grate an onion and squeeze out onion juice and add some 1 or 2 tablespoons of castor oil in it, apply it to your scalp and leave it for some time and then wash it off. You can add castor oil according to your hair length. For me, it is 2 tablespoons. You can add how much you want, because castor oil promotes hair growth and onion juice is a very effective ingredient to promote hair growth and even to reduce hair fall. So try it. Also, another thing you can do is don't forget to oil your hair at least twice a week. When you're oiling your hair, don't forget to massage it thoroughly with your fingertips. Don't use your nail because it promotes hair fall. So don't use your nail. Give your hair a good massage for 2 to 3 minutes. You can massage your hair with a hot oil. Just heat up some oil, but not so hot. Just warm oil and massage your head very well. This will make sure that your scalp is getting enough blood circulation and it will promote hair growth and stop hair fall. Another remedy is very simple. You can apply fresh aloe vera leaves, aloe vera gel to your scalp. Aloe vera is a very good ingredient to avoid hair fall, to reduce hair fall. So you can apply aloe vera gel to your scalp, leave it for some time and then wash it off. But even after doing a lot of things, if your hair fall is not going anywhere, then I would highly suggest you to talk with a dermat. There can be a possible reason related to your health. So yeah, start taking good care of your hair and your hair will be good. So this was today's video. If you think this was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, share this with your friend and comment down below what you want to see next. I'll see you guys with my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.